BAC is a generic extension for backup. Many programs use it. The trick to opening it is to find out which program created it or check the file header in a text editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's investigate. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor BAC corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. A BAC file serves dual purposes, representing both a generic backup file and a file associated with Avant Browser. As a backup, it stores copies of data for recovery purposes. In the context of Avant Browser, it may contain settings, bookmarks, or other user-specific data. The internal structure of a BAC file varies depending on its origin. Backup. BAC files often employ proprietary formats or standard archive formats like zip. Avant Browser. BAC files typically use a structured data format, such as XML or a custom binary format, to store browser-related information. Your primary software solution for BAC files should be Avant Browser from Avant Browser. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows usually cannot preview backup files, so compatible restore tools are needed to read them properly. We need to force an application link. Right-click your BAC file, then click Open With. Prioritize Avant Browser if you see it. If not, test the next program. Sometimes it's a hidden application that works. When your BAC file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the BAC error. First, identify the creator. Determine the original application, e.g. mobile phone software, accounting program, or a game, that created the BAC file. Next, use the original app's restore function. Launch the original application and use its file, restore or file. Import backup menu option. Finally, rename extract. Rename the file extension to zip or rar and attempt to open it with a universal archive tool like 7-zip. If no local program recognizes the BAC file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. I strongly endorse FileMagick for its advanced features. Its ability to instantly inspect and display content, even if the BAC file has a corrupted header, is unmatched. Download it at filemagick.com. The link for FileMagick is just below the video. We got to the solution quickly. If speed is what you value, please subscribe for more efficient guides.